In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Firebase Firestore collection name. Right up front, it's important to understand how Firestore works. Collections in Firestore aren't fixed tables you can rename, they're just paths. That means there isn't a direct rename button. Instead, the typical approach is to create a new collection with the desired name and move your data to it, then point your app to the new path. I'll walk you through the console so you know exactly where to go, what you can edit safely, and how to start that new collection. Begin by opening the Firebase console and signing into the project you want to work on. In the left navigation, hover over the Databases and Storage section to reveal the database options. Click Firestore to open your Firestore database. This brings you to the data viewer where you can browse collections and documents. Select the collection you're currently using from the left panel. You'll see its documents listed, and clicking a document opens its fields on the right. If you need to adjust a field before moving data to a new collection, click the small edit or pencil icon next to that field. This opens an inline editor where you can modify the value and, when appropriate, change the field's type. For example, if a value is stored as a string but should be a number, you can switch the type from string to number using the type selector. Make the change carefully, confirm the value is correct, and then click Update to save. Repeat this for any other fields that need cleanup so your data is consistent before you recreate it elsewhere. When you're ready to establish the new collection with the correct name, use the Start Collection button in the data viewer. Enter the new collection ID and add an initial document if the console prompts you. This creates the collection path you'll target going forward. A quick note on the actual rename process. Because renaming isn't supported, you'll typically migrate documents using a script with the Firestore SDK or a small admin utility that reads from the old path and writes to the new one. Keep an eye on your security rules and indexes and test on a small subset first. After the new collection is populated, update your application code to reference the new path and retire the old one when you're confident everything is working. That's the practical way to rename a Firestore collection. Create a new one, clean and move your data, and update your references. Thanks for watching and happy building.